I've been getting some questions from family members, friends. How do you wear like a bright, bold lip? And so I wanted to make a video on it. So when you have a bright lip, that is the dramatic thing on your face. So you want to keep the eyes neutral, you want to keep your face not so dramatic, it's not a harsh contour. And that's kind of how you want to pull it off. You want to definitely keep neutrals up in the eyes. Sometimes you can do a pop of color. I wouldn't do pink. If you're having, I wouldn't do the same color as your lips. I just wanted to show you guys my favorite way to wear a bright pink lip. And yeah, so here it goes. So we are going to start off by putting MAC Naked Pigment all over the lid. I'm using a flat brush, and then I'm going to wet it on a baby wipe. This just helps the pigment stay on and make it look a little bit more pigmented. And I chose this color because it's really close to my skin tone. So I'm just going to put that all over my lid, just go a little bit above my crease. Next, I'm going to take my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to mix two colors. I'm going to mix Nectar and Puree. I am using a fluffy blending brush for this, and I'm just going to put that color all in my crease and also a little bit above my crease. And then as the color starts to come off my brush and I don't have so much on there anymore, I'm going to work my way all the way up to my eyebrow just to make sure I have no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take the color Summer Yum and a denser brush. This is the brush that came in the Naked 2 palette, the crease end. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease. I'm going to put it lower than the last colors and a little bit in kind of like a V shape on the outer corner of my eye. And again, as the product comes off my brush, I'm going to go just a little bit higher. And as always, I am going to blend that all out. Blend, blend, blend. I wanted the color a little bit more intense, so I did go back in and repeat those last two steps one more time. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush. It's not as fluffy as my blending brush, and the shade Vanilla by MAC, and I'm going to put that underneath my brow as a highlight. I'm going to take my Mary Kay liquid eyeliner pen in black, and I'm going to be drawing a small wing. I don't want to have a dramatic wing because I have a dramatic lip for this look, so I'm going to be drawing a small wing. I start at the corner of my eye and work my way to the edge of my eyebrow, and then I'm just going to draw a straight line all the way to about the middle of my eye and then fill that in. I'm also going to draw a thin line from that inner edge of the eyeliner to my inner corner just to make sure the eyeliner covers that whole lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation, and I am using my L'Oreal True Match Foundation, the Lumi, and it is in the shade W3. And I'm going to just dot that all along my face. Sorry my face is so red. I had just exfoliated my face right before this. Also, right above my eyebrow, something like just bit me up as I was doing my makeup. Like, what the heck? It was so itchy. So my camera died right in the middle of me doing my foundation, so I'm just going to jump right into my concealer. I am using the MAC Select Cover Up in the shade NW15. So I'm going to draw a line straight down and then towards my temples so it makes a triangle shape. This helps make the face look more lifted if you draw it in this shape. Then I'm going to blend it out using my Beauty Blender. I'm using the flat edge. When using the Beauty Blender, it is better to just dab instead of rub, and it really just helps it look a lot more natural and you don't see any swipes of makeup, and also it'll pick up any excess if you maybe put on too much product. And to even out the highlight in my face, I'm going to put the same concealer on the center of my chin, the center of my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose, and also blend that in with my Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever setting powder and I'm going to put that all over wherever I put the concealer. Doing this really helps to prevent any creasing. Next I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and my Milani Easy Brow Pencil. The Brow Wiz is in the shade Taupe and the Milani pencil is in the shade Dark Brown. I'm not going to go into too much detail here because I do have an eyebrow tutorial, which I will link in the description box below. For mascara, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt in the shade Black, and I'm going to put a generous couple of coats on my top lashes. I'm going to use this bronzer from the Ulta Beauty Makeup Kit, and I'm going to just bronze my face. I'm not going to contour, and I'm doing this because I don't want a harsh looking contour. I really just want some color in my face. Again, because the lips are going to be the bold statement of the look, I just wanted some color and not a harsh sculpted contour. So I'm putting this beneath my cheekbones and also all around my forehead. Blush, I'm going to take my Clinique Blushing Blush Powder Blush in the shade Precious Posy, and I'm going to be putting that just a little bit above my bronzer and just lightly sweeping that on my cheeks. For my bright lip, I'm going to take my Revlon Color Burst lipstick in the shade 210 and put that all over my lips. Now you can end here if you want to keep it a daytime look, but I'm going to show you a couple tips to turn it into a nighttime look. I'm going to take the shade Puree from my Sweet Peach palette and a flat brush, and I'm going to be putting that all on my lower lash line. After I put that all the way across, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take my MARC Lash All You Want mascara in black, and I'm going to put that all over my bottom lashes. This is a good tip if you want to turn your look into a little bit more of a dramatic look. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!